how to fix 100% CPU usage problem on Windows. So what we're going to do first is we're going to create a restore point so that any issue that might occur, we will be able to fix it right away. So simply search in your taskbar, restore point, which will allow you to view this section over here. So we could easily create a restore point for either of our drives. So simply select your system over here or the drive that has your OS installed, and you're going to click on configure over here, turn on system protection over here, and then click on apply, click on OK, and you should now have the system restore option over here. So this is now currently our restore point. So if ever something goes wrong, you could simply visit your system restore and click on system restore over here. Now, after that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our task manager by simply typing or clicking Control Shift Escape, which will allow us to view our task manager. You're simply going to navigate to Startup Apps over here, and you're going to disable everything that you're seeing here that is not necessary, because these will automatically open whenever you restart your PC or open your PC or laptop. So ensure that these are all disabled. After that, also ensure that you have updated your Windows. So sometimes there could be issues caused by unupdated Windows. So simply click on check for updates inside of your Windows Manager to check if there are any necessary updates that you have to install inside of your Windows. Now, aside from that, what we're going to do next is we're going to simply navigate towards our power options over here. So you're simply going to search in your search bar power, and you will be able to see here choose a power plan. So this is our power options over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply click on show additional plans over here, and you're simply going to select balance over here. Or we could also click on change plan setting over here and click on change advanced power setting. It will show you this option over here. Scroll down a bit and click on process power management. So you're simply going to click on minimum processor state over here. For the plugged in, simply change it to 99%. For the on battery, you could just leave it as it is. For the maximum processor state, change it to 99%. For the plugged in, change it to 99%. And then after this, simply click on apply and then OK. The next thing that we could do, or we should do, is we're going to search msconfig, which is our system configuration over here. Simply wait for that to open. And this is what it would look like, as you can see. So after this, what we're going to do is you're simply going to click on boot over here. And you're going to click on advanced option when you select your Windows 11 over here. Also, remember that the Windows 11 or your OS is installed on a specific drive. So remember that as well. But anyway, click on advanced options. And you're going to click on number of processor and select the maximum amount of processor that you have. And click on OK. And click on apply. There should be a pop-up here that would request you to restart, but you're going to say restart later and click on OK. This is the pop-up, by the way. Simply click on exit without restart. The next step is service.msc. Right here. Click on enter. And this is what you're going to see. So what you're going to look for now is sysmain. So these are alphabetically arranged. So simply locate S over here. And we're going to look for sysmain over here. So this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click. Click on properties. And you're going to click on disable over here. And stop it from running as well. After that, you could also search for Windows search. So let's simply look for our Windows search over here. So this one over here. Also, keep in mind, if your OS or your operating system is installed in your C or your C drive or SSD, do not disable this. This is only for those that has their OS installed in their HDD. So if you have SSD, just like what we saw earlier in our msconfig. Do not disable this. Anyway, let's move on. The next thing is we're going back to our task manager over here. And you're going to simply go to your processes over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to check every app that's currently running and identify the ones that you are currently not using. For example, this one or Steam. Simply to select the specific ones that you are not really using. And you're going to click on end task over here, which will stop that specific app from running and not use up your memory. Now, aside from that, you could also try downloading some external apps like Park Control, which will allow you to modify your different performance settings. Now, after everything that we have just done, simply restart your computer, and then you are now able to utilize your CPU without 100%. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.